How many times have you found yourself on the road wishing you had that perfect gadget to make your drive more enjoyable and stress-free? Well, today is your lucky day because we've compiled a list of must-have car accessories that will not only enhance your driving experience, but also add a touch of convenience to your daily commute. You're cruising down the road and suddenly an unexpected incident occurs. Ever wish you had a reliable witness? Enter the Vantrue and OPro Uber or dual dashcam. Designed with rideshare drivers in mind, this top-rated dual-lens camera captures crystal clear footage of both the road ahead and the inside of your car. With features like 5K 1440p front dash cam, infrared night vision, and a 24-hour parking mode, it's your trusty companion for the unexpected. Plus, the 18-month warranty and 100 satisfaction guarantee make it a cost-effective choice. Now, let's talk about cleanliness on the go. The VARSK 4-in-1 car vacuum cleaner is your go-to gadget for keeping your car spick and span. Imagine having a vacuum cleaner and tire inflator all in one portable device. With a digital tire pressure LCD display, LED work light, and powerful cyclone suction, this gadget is a game changer. The washable HEPA filter ensures durability, and the 15F power cord allows you to reach every nook and cranny of your car. Speaking of tire maintenance, meet the AstroAI Tire Inflator. This high-quality inflator is a lifesaver when it comes to keeping your tires in top shape with a large LCD screen, integrated LED flashlight, and a 12U 120U 10th car cigarette lighter cord. It's a versatile tool for all your inflation needs. From cars to SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles, this tire inflator is your go-to solution. The included accessories make it a complete package for any driver. Now, let's talk about something. We all need coffee, right? The IFAR Cup Holder is designed for convenience. It nominates larger bottles or cups, including popular brands like Hydro Flasks and Algenas. With a U-shaped groove, flexible detached tray, and easy 3-step installation process, this cup holder adds both stability and style to your car. Protect your precious eyewear with the KIWEN Sunglasses Holder. How many times have you struggled to find your sunglasses while driving? With double storage capacity and a strong magnetic design, this holder keeps your glasses secure. Crafted from leather and aluminum alloy, it not only ensures durability, but also adds a touch of style to your car. The easy installation and non-interference with driving vision make it a perfect accessory for any type of eyewear. Staying connected on the go is a must, and the Opro Multicar Retractable backseat charging station has got you covered. This retractable car charger supports fast charging for up to 3 smartphones simultaneously, with compatibility for various interfaces, a non-slip buckle for stability, and a 360-degree rotation feature. It's the ultimate charging solution for any car. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about organization. The FORTEM Car Boot Organiser is a game changer when it comes to keeping your car clutter-free, reinforced with rigid base plates, multiple compartments, and adjustable straps. It's perfect for organizing groceries, office supplies, and more. The waterproof and collapsible design adds to its versatility, making it suitable for any size trunk. Use it in your car, and it's also great for garage storage. There you have it, everyone. A lineup of must-have car accessories to level up your driving game. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more exciting reviews. Drive safe, stay connected, and enjoy the road with these fantastic gadgets. See you in the next one.